Hey, I'm Gabriel from Tech53 and today we're gonna do a shop tour.
Hey, I'm Alex and this is the shop. First we got an E36 on a lift. This lift is made to build project cars, design products, and most likely put new stuff on the website. Same thing here, another lift, but this time Volkswagen. Now it's a Scirocco that's on the lift, and we've used this car for our latest project, which is the Volkswagen Mark 1 1.4T swap kit. You may have seen this before, but we made a wall of wheels 2 or 3 years ago. Keeps growing, we're gonna need a new wall soon, but that's about it. This is pretty much where we store our inventory of transmission parts. This right here is 2 triple stacker lifts where we keep our finished project cars, and we also use that for storage. We've got Gabriel's race car, E36, Frederick's Scirocco track car, and on top we've got the Patino Rabbit that caught on fire a couple of years ago. We've got a special project coming for this car. If you ever want to know more about these cars, you can find more at tech53.com/projectcars. This right here, our latest purchase, is one hell of a big laser cutting machine. This guy right here uses a chiller and a blower, which sits on top of it. We had to put an additional racking just to make sure it doesn't get in the way. Right here, we have Frederick's lift. This is where he keeps his project, wrench on his own cars, and develops new parts. Right now, we're on the E82, so everything you see on the website has been designed and installed at some point on this car. Now, let's go take a look at Fred and his machine shop.
All right, here we have our CNC lathe. We use this for production, and also at this moment, I am presently doing a jig for re-drilling some of the BMW rotors. Over there, we have the manual mill. This enables us to do quick turnarounds for jigs also, and quick setups instead of going on the CNC mill and doing the programming. It enables us to be a lot more flexible. On the other side over here, we have our surface grinder. We use this for the shims of differentials and transmissions for both the BMWs and the Volkswagens. If we go to our Haas CNC mill, it's a Taper 40. This is used for production for the spacer adapters, for the hybrid dual pattern hubs for the BMWs, and pretty much all the milling that's done in-house. So this is my little space.
That was Fred's section. Now we're gonna go to Gabriel's section, which is right here in this shop. The dirty work is down here. Grinding, welding, you name it. It's all inside here.
Hi, so this is where the dirty work happens. We got accessible tools for us to use. We got the sandblast, and we usually weld all the mounts here.
All right, let's keep the dust in here. We're gonna go to the second floor. This is where your orders get shipped. Here's the inventory. Everything you guys order come from around here. This is the shipping station. When you guys order parts, I take them from the inventory, pack them right here, tape the box, and ship it to you. This is where we work at. We've got 3 desks for customer service, inventory, and website. Lastly, here's Sam's workspace. He uses a 3D printer, our latest acquisition, to help prototype parts designed in the house with the help of our 3D scanner. And we also got the photo booth right there. Thank you for following me around the shop, and thank you for shopping with us. If you have any questions, let us know.